Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Render, FET and Injective price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Render from the daily here to check up a little bit, of course, on the macro level first, and then we're gonna dive in the micro. Basically, we have a W and X here and a wave Y that it can be finished already for Render. In case we are in a kind of like a finished wave A, B, and a C here, of course, including the wick somehow. W, X, and a wave Y here to finish, of course, this correction as even much more complex W, X, and Y. Now, very, very rare case to get a W, X, and Y inside a wave Y. So I doubt it somehow, and I'm still looking after the potential diagonal here in case it might still be unfolding for a wave 5 and finishing, of course, exactly on the time that we were mentioning since months, I would say. And I mentioned that it's all about time after this week here, and here we are. We're very, very close to this time and very likely to finish this last drop for Render. In case it's gonna unfold it as an A, B, and a C, the wave C is kind of truncation. If not, okay, then it is a 1, 2 potentially here, wave 3, 4, and a 5 unfolding for an impulse. Which it can be a 1, 2 anyway, and then pushing toward the upside again. So in both case scenarios, I'm looking for something like for lower in a wave 2, in case, of course, we get wave 5 and a wave 2, and then pushing for higher starting from that time here. Or in case, of course, we drop down and we take the low there at that time as well, and then pushing toward the upside in a bull run. However, on the 2 hours chart here, if we dive inside it, we can see that the price after this potential wave 1 here, in case we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as a leading diagonal, you have kind of like a triangle, or it can be, of course, a wave 2 there and accumulation for some 1, 2s, or W, X, and a wave Y is a triangle for a wave 2, because, of course, a pure triangle is not allowed for a wave 2 here. So preferably to be in W and X and A, B, C, D, and E for a wave 2, in case we are in a wave 2 there. Which is very rare. I mean, why we want to get, of course, W, X, and Y in a wave 2? I mean, it's not usual to get it. It's not so common. Mostly flats or zigzag for wave 2. But basically, this impulse toward the upside is holding on even, like without any invalidation yet at 1.55. We see the wave 4 is still holding on somehow, this very sideways, but even it reflects somehow this correction here. I mean, if this is a correction wave 2, you will need, of course, the same for a wave 4 and even double time, which is unfolding right now. And we don't see anything impulsive here. I don't see kind of like an impulse. It says 3 waves there, 3 waves up again, and still showing some strengths without taking the low even. And it can be, of course, the formation of a triangle there for wave 4, and then pushing for wave 5 to finish wave 1 and then wave 2. However, I mean, with the wave 5 here, once we get the direction of the market is confirmed toward the upside, we cannot think about a new low after getting a wave 5 there as a wave 1. We might get, of course, a wave 2, but never taking the low anymore. And that might be already, of course, the trigger for our bull run, which it has been already triggered from there. And we might see, of course, something toward the upside as a bullish. So by all means, for Render, it's still ranging here, still showing strengths, still looking for higher. In any case, until, of course, the 1.55, in case the price, I don't know, dive deeper in a news or something else. Taking the 1.55 then, of course, is an invalidation of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, of course, once we get it, that means we're still looking for the $1. $1 in confluence with the timing. So I'm still looking for the time in case, of course, this is going to reach that price. Yep, so this is regarding Render. If we move to FET, for FET, we're going to take also the daily first. For FET, of course, we're still in 3 waves up, and this deep correction, which is a wave B there. We have a W and X in triangle and a wave Y. Wave Y can be done and finished over there in W, X here, 3 waves, and then wave Y. However, again, W, X, and Y in a wave Y Yeah, it's very low probability, guys, but the action here that we see as an impulse suggests that it is the case, which is very rare case, guys. But because we have an impulse here and without invalidation holding on the price again, that is very likely that we are pushing already in a bull run, guys. So for render, in case that this is happening, because of course registering one more push toward the upside here, that means, of course, the direction of the market again is upward. Once you register a 1, 2, and then 3 wave 4, now I'm suggesting that the wave 4 might take longer time still here as a range to finish a wave C, wave 4, and then pushing for one more high. But once we get this high, that is a 5 waves up and might be, of course, the start of a bull run, an impulse, can be even double 1, 2, nobody knows, and then pushing for higher. So I'm still looking for time because the time still required anyway. And I'm still looking here for something as a 1, 2, and then pushing for higher. So the blue box over there is still, of course, required. Invalidation is still holding 0.17. FET is showing some strengths again, even on the lower time frame. Nothing is impulsive downward here. I don't see an impulse downward. I mean, if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave 2, okay, it is time to push down. Why we're still going sideways? Therefore, it is an ABC here, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C. And very likely that we are in a W somehow, W here, or W and X, and a wave Y can be the triangle. Can it be? Well, yeah, it's hard to say, guys, but I prefer to stay with the time a little bit much more longer, especially that the wave 2 is required. Meaning running triangle is the highest probability here, as an A, B, C, D, and an E. Can be, of course, a wave C, yes, because we have a large gap here between the invalidation, still preserving this gap. Incredible. Like FET is showing even much more strength than render right now. So very likely that it can be wave C maybe, and then pushing for higher later on. Yep, so this is regarding FET. Very nice for render and FET. They are really showing some power here and some bullish signals for the bull run. Now for INJECTIVE. INJECTIVE is not the same, I would say. Of course, we are in 3 waves A, wave B. Now, what is interesting is INJECTIVE also very, very close to the time. As we mentioned, we were looking for this time since, of course, October. Yeah, it has been a very long time waiting for it. And here we are. So I think INJECTIVE still looking here for a final push toward the downside, final leg to finish this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then explosion for higher prices. That because, of course, we have finished here the W, the X, and a Y, but much more likely an A, B, and a C. This is a wave C in double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. And then explosion. So I'm looking for that. Basically on the 2 hours chart here, as you can see, it is still unfolding. We finished our wave 3. We're looking for a wave 4 upward here. So very likely that this wave 4 is unfolding. One more wave 5, and then explosion toward the upside. Preferably to take, of course, the low there. It's a bull run trigger, of course, that we are looking for here. Trigger for a bull market, of course. One more low. Yeah, one more low, guys, can be very, very likely to unfold a massive bullish scenario here. So this scenario, of course, might be our bull run. We'll see if this is going to happen. All those 3 coins are showing a signal that we are at the end of the bear market, guys. Something is coming very, very new. It might be, of course, definitely there is a fundamental trigger, of course, and it might be the end of the war or something, which we start to hear about it today, and that's why we see some green today. We start to hear that, like, there are some negotiation to end the war somehow, hopefully, and this might, of course, trigger our crypto market for a new bull run. That was it for FET, Render, and INJECTIVE. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.